top. When she veers slowly lifts her up, then gently lands her on a grassy hill.
Whoa! It's better than my bed back home.
Sai slowly fell into her knees. Sai lay up in front of his expression.
Welcome home, Lady Sai. Who are you? What do you want from me?
Do not be afraid, my lady. We are your most faithful servants. We were trained to fulfill your desires.